everyone, welcome to a step-by-step guide on using crypto finance. In this video, I will walk you through the process of registering, investing, and maximizing your earnings on this platform. Due to demand, I decided to make this video. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This video is only for entertainment purposes, and also to show platforms I use to earn some passive income. If you are interested, the link to this website will be in the description of this video. First, to get started with crypto finance, you'll need to register an account. Use the link in the description to visit the crypto finance website, click on sign up, then fill in your details and complete the registration process. After you have done that, you will be directed to the home page. I strongly suggest that you read the pop-up message that appears. Once you are done, go through the options for investment. To begin investing, you'll need to deposit funds into your crypto finance account. The platform only accepts USDT, Tether, for deposits, using the TRC20 network. The minimum deposit allowed is $2. This section displays withdrawal that can be made at any time. If you do not invest the expected rechargeable amount, you can also get a refund immediately without any restrictions. Note that, there will be no benefit or earnings if you withdraw money within an hour. What is shown here is the profit ratio for each hour. The profit ratio for each hour is different. The higher the amount recharged, the higher the profit ratio. If you do not withdraw money, the profit earnings will continue to accumulate. To deposit from external wallets, simply click on the deposit button on the website and copy the provided wallet address. Now head to the desired crypto exchange or wallet where you will make the deposit from and select withdraw. Select USDT as the preferred currency. Remember to choose TRC20 as the network of choice. Once you've deposited your funds, head over to the financial management page to see the current amount you can invest. Click the invest button of your choice to start the automatic quantitative strategy, then follow the system prompts and wait for the execution of your financial strategy order. Your earnings are updated hourly, and these earnings are automatically accumulated and added to your promotion income if you have invited users to the platform. Remember to check in daily to accumulate your bonus income, as crypto finance promises a secure and reliable investment environment, offering 24/7 investment and withdrawal opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. To withdraw, simply click on withdraw from the home page. Ensure you have accumulated enough earnings to meet the withdrawal threshold. You will be directed to the withdraw page. First, you will have to bind your email address. Key in your valid email and address and click here to get verification code in your email. Copy the code from the email you received and paste it here. Next, you will have to create a transaction password. Then you head to your external wallet and copy the deposit address and add it to the withdrawal address on the website. This will bind your external deposit address. You can then proceed to withdraw your desired amount. I will demonstrate with $10. Click Apply for withdrawal and type in your transaction password. The amount withdrawn should arrive in minutes. I will now go to my external wallet to check for the $10 withdrawal I initiated. As you can see, I have received the $10 deposit in my external wallet. To maximize your earnings, consider inviting friends to join crypto finance. The more friends you invite, the higher your rewards. For instance, if you invite 3 new users with a minimum investment of 10 USDT each, you'll earn a 3 USDT reward. If you invite 50 new users with a minimum investment of 100 USDT each, you'll earn a 580 USDT reward. Additionally, you can enjoy promotion rebates on the hourly income of your lower-level users, with A-level rebates at 8% of the total hourly income and B-level rebates at 5%. Remember to share your referral link on social media to increase your earnings. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it useful. Sign in daily to accumulate up to 200 USDT, which can be withdrawn immediately. Stay informed by following the official Crypto Finance Telegram channel for updates and support. Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to always do your own research. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always be careful before investing in any cryptocurrency project. Till my next video. Keep mining.